To install Visual Studio Code on your system, just simply open your favorite browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any browser. Simply search for Visual Studio Code download and simply press enter. There you will see a first link of the official website, which is code.visualstudio.com download. Simply click on that. There you will see all the available flavors for Visual Studio. So Visual Studio Code is available for Windows 8, 10 and 11. It's also available for Ubuntu and Mac. You can choose your flavor. Currently I am using Windows 10, but the procedure is same for Windows 11. So mostly we have 64-bit operating system, but if you have 86-bit operating system, so don't forget to click on this 86. For the most of the users, simply click on this big blue button. It will start installing the Visual Studio Code on your PC. So let's the download finish. Visual Studio is completely free to use. That means you don't need any crack version or a third-party provider. You can download it directly from this website. So that's perfect. So here we go. The exe file is installed, is downloaded. If you don't see this file there, simply go to top right side of the browser and click on three dots, and there you will need to go to the downloads, and there you will see this file. So if you don't see the file there, you can go to downloads. Simply click on that. It will start the installation wizard. Let me minimize this. There you will see the license agreement for Visual Studio Code. Simply choose I accept, then click on next. There you will see some additional settings. So it's recommended to create all these settings because the first one, it will create a desktop icon for Visual Studio Code, and the other one is add open with code action to Windows Explorer content and the Explorer directory content menu. When you right click, and you will see this open with Visual Studio and open with VS Code. So as I already have the previous version, so that's why you are seeing this for now. But if you don't have previous version installed, then you will not see this. But if you keep this as selected, then you will also see this in the menu. So simply click on next. So it's ready to install. Simply click on install button. It will begin the installation process. So if you don't know how to use Visual Studio Code and you want to get started with that, I also have a video, so you can click on the link in the description. There we go. Launch the Visual Studio is checked. So when I finish, it will launch the Visual Studio Code. There we have the latest version of Visual Studio Code. So if you are new to coding and you want to learn more about the Visual Studio Code, I also made an introductory video about VS Code and I explained about this editor. We will also learn how to write your first Visual Studio Code. So you can check this video by clicking on the video on your screen, or you can also find the link to that video in the description. So see you in that class.